In this tutorial video, we will guide you through the process of setting up and using the HP QuickDrop app to effortlessly transfer files between your computer and mobile devices over a wireless network. The first step is to ensure that you have the QuickDrop app on your computer. On your HP computer, the QuickDrop app should already be pre-installed. However, if you can't locate the app on your device, simply open the Windows App Store and search for QuickDrop. Once you find the app in the search results, go ahead and install it. Now let's move on to installing the QuickDrop app on your mobile device. Whether you have an Android or iOS device, open your respective app store and search for QuickDrop. Once you find the app, go ahead and install it on your mobile device. With the QuickDrop app installed on both your computer and mobile device, let's proceed to connect the two devices. Before doing so, make sure that both devices are connected to the same wireless network. Now on your computer, open the QuickDrop app and you will be greeted with a welcome screen displaying a unique QR code. Switching to your mobile device, open the QuickDrop app and follow the prompts. Grant any necessary permissions such as allowing access to your device's camera. Once you reach the Start Sharing screen, tap on Scan QR code and align the box on your screen with the QR code displayed on your computer. This will initiate the pairing process. As the pairing process progresses, both your mobile device and computer will display a PIN code. Verify that the codes match and on your computer, select PIN code is the same. Alternatively, you can choose the Use PIN code instead option on your computer. Enter the provided PIN on your mobile device and establish the connection that way. By following these steps, you will successfully connect your HP computer and mobile device using the HP QuickDrop app. If you need to switch to a different paired mobile device, simply select it from the convenient drop-down menu. Now that your devices are successfully paired, let's explore how to share files seamlessly. Both your computer and mobile device will display the Let's Go screen, indicating that they are ready for file sharing. To send files, locate and select the paperclip icon on either your computer or mobile device. Take your time to browse through your files and choose the specific one you wish to send. Once you have made your selection, the file will be swiftly sent and promptly displayed on the receiving device. Alternatively, if you prefer sending notes, you can utilize the notepad icon. Compose your note on one device and with a simple tap on Send, it will instantaneously appear on the other device, ensuring efficient communication. HP QuickDrop goes a step further by allowing you to send and receive SMS messages directly from your computer. By selecting the message icon, you can enjoy the convenience of sending and receiving text messages. Just make sure to grant the necessary permissions on your mobile device to enable this feature. If you need to access files received from your mobile device, simply select the folder icon within HP QuickDrop on your computer. This will present you with a comprehensive display of all the received files, making it effortless to access them whenever needed. If you want to customize HP QuickDrop to suit your specific preferences, you can easily do so by adjusting the app settings. Simply click on the gear icon and it will bring you to the settings menu. From here you can manage connected devices, pair new ones or unpair existing ones. Clear all items from feed and manage the folder where the received files are saved to extra.